What's up everybody, thanks for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Anxiety by Julia Michaels featuring Selena Gomez on the acoustic guitar. Now before you do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up as we go along. Right, this is a really simple one to play, all on the acoustic guitar. It's the same lick all the way through, same 4 chords all the way through. All in standard tuning, so no special tuning, and you don't need a capo to play this. So the first chord you need to know, guys, is our C major. We're in the first position, so we've got our first finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. I'm going to strum from 5 down, string number 5 down. And what I'm doing for the strumming, I'm palm muting that first 2 plucks on 5 and 4. And then what I'm doing is I'm clipping 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the downstroke. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First chord, and then our second chord is an A minor. And what we're going to do with this, we're just going to move our 3rd finger and we're going to tuck that on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So we're moving from our C to our A minor. So it's a very subtle movement there with that 3rd finger. And again, the plucking and the strumming pattern is 5, 4, and then a downstroke. And again, I'm muffling with my hand, with my right hand, palm muting. So it's that downstroke. So those 2 chords together. And then we're moving to our D minor. And our D minor is 1st finger, 1st string, 1st fret. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and we're going to pluck from string number 4 down. And again we're going 4, 3, palm muted, and a downstroke. Those 3 chords together now. And then 4th chord is a G major chord. And I play my G major with a D in it. And that is 1st finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, 3rd finger tucked on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then your pinky finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. And I'm plucking 6, 5, and then a downstroke. So let's try all 4 chords together in the sequence. It really is as simple as that. What I recommend doing is that you play along with the backing track as you go along. Play along with the track that you can hear on YouTube, or if you've got it on iTunes or whatever it may be. Play along with it and you'll get to know where the reference points are, where the verses kick in, where the chorus kicks in, and where it sort of changes. For the majority of the song, that is all you'll be playing. It's just the way that you deliver it on the acoustic guitar makes it sort of different, and you put that variation in. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you found it useful, please give us a like, make sure that you subscribe, and I shall see you again.